Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to our channel, Global Eats Uncovered, where we dive deep into the heart of world cuisines, discovering unique flavors, and bringing the most authentic global dishes right to your screens. Today, we're embarking on an exciting culinary journey across Asia, the largest and most diverse continent on the planet. From bustling street food stalls to traditional family kitchens, we're going to explore classic Asian dishes you absolutely need to try. Whether you're a fan of spicy curries, delicate dim sum, or aromatic noodle soups, Asia has something to tantalize every palate. Ready to uncover these culinary gems? Let's dive in. 1. Thailand. Pad Thai, stir-fried perfection. Pad Thai is an iconic Thai dish that has made its mark worldwide, and a touch of chili for heat, topped with crunchy peanuts, fresh lime, and sometimes even a raw egg. Pad Thai is a balance of flavors in every bite. The beauty of Pad Thai lies in its versatility. Whether you add shrimp, chicken, or tofu, it's a dish that's both satisfying and customizable, where the street vendors serve up plate after plate of this delicious comfort food. 2. Japan ramen, a bowl of Seoul. When it comes to Japanese cuisine, ramen stands as one of its most beloved dishes. This comforting bowl of noodles in a rich broth comes in various regional styles, from the miso ramen in Hokkaido to the rich tonkotsu ramen from Fukuoka, a soft-boiled egg, and a variety of vegetables. The broth can be soy-based, miso-based, or pork bone broth-based, each offering its unique flavor profile. 3. China. Peking duck, a royal feast. Peking duck is a legendary dish that dates back to the Ming Dynasty and has become a symbol of Chinese cuisine around the world. The process of making Peking duck is a delicate one. The duck is seasoned, air-dried, and roasted to perfection until the skin is crispy and golden. The idea is to roll up a slice of duck with the condiments for an explosion of textures and flavors, where you can enjoy this regal dish in traditional restaurants like Quang Duc Pho. Vietnam. Pho, the comforting soup. One of the most famous dishes to come from Vietnam is pho, a fragrant noodle soup made with broth, rice noodles, fresh herbs, and thinly sliced meat, often beef or chicken. The secret to a perfect pho is in the broth, which is typically simmered for hours with spices like star anise, cinnamon, and cloves. Pho can be found on every corner in Vietnam, especially in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, where it's a breakfast favorite. Whether enjoyed at a street-side stall or in a restaurant, pho is a warm hug in a bowl, perfect for any time of day. 5. Butter chicken, also known as murg makhani, is a dish that's synonymous with Indian cuisine worldwide. Originating in Delhi, this rich and creamy chicken curry is cooked in a tomato-based sauce with butter, cream, and a blend of spices like garam masala, cumin, and turmeric. It's perfectly paired with warm Naan Indian flatbread or basmati rice. What makes butter chicken special is its tender chicken and the velvety, aromatic gravy that coats every piece. It's a dish that embodies the warmth and hospitality of Indian cooking, and you can't visit India without trying it in a traditional curry house in Delhi or Mumbai. 6. Indonesia nasi goreng, the ultimate fried rice. Nasi goreng is the national dish of Indonesia, and it's no surprise why. This flavorful fried rice is typically made with chili sweet soy sauce and a variety of proteins like shrimp, chicken, or pork. It's often topped with a fried egg and served with satay skewers and karapik crispy crackers. A key feature of nasi goreng is its balance of savory, spicy, and sweet flavors. Whether you're enjoying it at a beachside cafe in Bali or a bustling street market in Jakarta, this dish is a must-try for anyone visiting Indonesia. 7. South Korea. Bibimbap, a colorful rice bowl. Bibimbap is a vibrant and colorful dish that's a true representation of Korean flavors. The word bibimbap translates to mixed rice, and that's exactly what it is. A bowl of rice topped with a variety of vegetables, egg, meat, often beef, and gochujang, spicy red pepper paste. What makes bibimbap so special is how it brings together a variety of textures and flavors, from the crunch of the vegetables to the warmth of the rice and the spicy savory kick from the gochujang. It's a dish that can be found all over Seoul and the rest of South Korea, from traditional eateries to modern fusion spots. 8. Malaysia. Laksa, a spicy, creamy noodle soup. Laksa is a vibrant noodle soup that's a mix of Malay and Chinese influences, and it's a must-try when visiting Malaysia. There are two main types: Assam laksa, sour and tangy, and curry laksa, spicy and creamy. The base is often made from coconut milk, lemongrass, galangal, and shrimp paste, which creates a rich and aromatic broth. The soup is usually served with rice noodles or egg noodles and a variety of toppings, like shrimps, tofu, bean sprouts, and boiled eggs. Whether you're in Penang or Kuala Lumpur, finding a bowl of laksa will definitely make your trip a flavorful adventure. 9. Philippines. Adobo, a flavor explosion? One of the most famous dishes in the Philippines is adobo, a flavorful stew made with pork or chicken, soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and a variety of spices. This dish has Spanish roots, but it has evolved into something uniquely Filipino. The meat is marinated and then simmered until tender, soaking up all the rich, savory, and tangy flavors. It's typically served with steamed rice, and every Filipino family has their own version. Whether you're in Manila or the remote islands, adobo is one dish you must taste. 10. Singapore, chili crab, a saucy delight. Chili crab is one of Singapore's most famous dishes, and for good reason. This dish features mud crab cooked in a sweet and spicy tomato-based sauce with chili, garlic, and a touch of ginger. The sauce is thick, flavorful, and perfect for dipping your rice or using mantou fried buns to scoop it up. It's a messy, flavorful feast often enjoyed with friends and family. And there's no better place to try it than in the vibrant food centers of Singapore, like Jumbo Seafood or No Signboard Seafood, a culinary adventure across Asia. Asia is a continent full of diverse cultures, and its cuisine reflects that diversity in the most delicious way possible. From the crispy duck in Beijing to the rich ramen in Tokyo and the fragrant pho in Hanoi, each dish tells a story of tradition, history, and flavors that have been passed down through generations. We hope this list of classic dishes has inspired your next culinary adventure. Whether you're planning a trip to Asia or just dreaming of its flavors, these dishes are the perfect way to experience the continent's vibrant food culture. Don't forget to subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more food adventures from around the world.